Hi, it's Aidan here at Blackpool Seat, showing you around this Seat Ateca that we have in stock. This is the XCELLENCE model, 1.4 EcoTSI. Got your Seat lighting, daytime running lights for this car. We've also got the XCELLENCE alloys, finished off in a silver, in great condition. Paintwork's lovely on this car. It's an 18 plate, currently sat on around about 27,000 miles. Confirm that when we sit inside the car. At the rear, you've got a reversing camera, which I'll show you on the infotainment system when we get inside the car. Seat lighting, daytime running lights on the rear as well. Cars for sale here at Blackpool Seat, part of the Cox Motor Group. Privately owned, family run group of dealerships. We own dealerships in Kendal, Lancaster, Blackpool of course, Southport and Wigan. So at the Blackpool site you've got us, Blackpool Seat. Next door to us you've got a Blackpool Auto Mart. They sell a variety of brands of cars. A few other part exchanges come in from there. Next door to them you've got the UK's only superbike store, which is Honda Bikes. Across the road you've got our flagship dealership, Blackpool Honda. And over in the distance you've got our paint shop and body shop clinic, as well as the in-house workshop. So all used cars, they do go through body shop prep before sale. So any little bits wrong with the car, we do try and sort out before sale. As well as in-house workshop checks. So it does go through a Seat approved standard of checks. 142 points, includes your brakes and your tyres. So any tyres below 3 mil in tread will get replaced with some fresh ones. Also, through the workshop, it comes with at least 9 months MOT and at least 9 months service, giving you peace of mind. So yeah, let's get into the car. I'll show you the boot first. It's one of the main points about Atecas and why people love them. You've got plenty of boot space, parcel shelf for extra luggage privacy of course, and then you've got these handy levers either side of the boot that fold your seats down in a 60-40 split. Also, you'll find underneath the floor you've also got a tyre inflation kit in case you ever need one. You've also got a little compartment down the side for any fluids you might want to carry while you're driving. Onto the rear interior, you'll find a full leather seats. You've got a middle compartment for drink holders for the rear passengers. You also have your rear ISOFIX mounting points for any child seats that you may have. Also, as you can see, plenty of leg room. You also have a couple of power outlets down there for your rear passengers. Into the driver's seat. First of all, it's the right kind of time in the day to show you this. Got ambient lighting down the driver's door cards and the passenger's door cards. Gives a very personal feel to the car. You can also change them in the settings for the car, any colour you'd like. Full leather interior. The seats are also heated, as you can see. So I'll start down here. You've got your different driving modes operated by this dial. You've got Eco, Normal, Sport and Individual to tailor it to your own driving needs. Got an electronic parking brake and your brake hold. You'll find in this 1.4 EcoTSI a 6-speed manual gearbox. And this is also keyless entry and push button start. So there's your push button start. Down in the centre console, you've got wireless phone charging, as well as different power outlets for your media sources. Dual zone climate control, and as I pointed out before, heated seat options for both the front and rear front passengers. Onto your infotainment system. I'll talk you through that quickly. The menu button brings you back to the main menu. So all your different radio sources, all your media sources, satellite navigation. SD card is yet to be fitted to this car. You do have satellite navigation with this car, Bluetooth hands-free audio. All your driving data and your sports displays in the vehicle option. You've got full link, so that's your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and your mirror link. And lastly, you can control your dual zone climate control from the touch screen if you don't want to use the dials below. Onto the speedometer. I'll show you first of all, this car is sat on 27,168 miles, so just over 27,000 miles. For an 18 plate, it's not too bad. I believe this was one owner from new. It's been very well looked after. It's got a full dealership service history. Buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel control your trip computer located in between your speedometer. Personal preference, what you have displayed here. Most people decide to display the driving data, what kind of range they have on the car. On the left hand side you've got your media buttons as well as your voice activated control. Couple of excellence badges in and around the car on the driver's door sills as well. You've got your light style to the right hand side of the steering wheel. On the driver's door card you've got electrically adjustable mirrors as well as heated mirrors and foldable mirrors. And you've also got electrically adjustable windows. And as I said, you've got your ambient lighting. The previous owner said it's a dark blue. Really sets off the car, especially at night, with the full leather interior. Looks stunning. That's the interior. Just point out them excellence badges on the door sills. So that's the car. It's in great condition. Available here at Blackpool SEAT. If you'd like to know any more information about this car or require a personalised video of this car, please contact the sales team on 01253 600 980. Or for any finance options available on this car, again contact the sales team on 01253 600 980. We'd love to hear from you soon.